All right, Honeywell named a top pick for 2022 at JPMorgan. Steve Tusa saying, quote, "We now view Honeywell as cheap." It's one of our calls of the day. Jason and Shannon, you both own it. Jason, first, your take.
Yeah, so what I would say about Honeywell, obviously they've underperformed this year, down about 4%, a little over 4% year to date. This is a tough one. I mean, on a relative basis, I mean, trading at 26 times, I guess is cheaper than what it's been. But they're levered to the defense and airline space, so that's been kind of a tough trade this year. But they have a very strong balance sheet, so let's see how things play out going into 2022. But like the call, generally, it's been a long-term hold of ours.
Shannon?
Yeah, I think if you look at execution by the management team, they've already divested some of their businesses. They continue to focus on operational efficiencies. And I just think this hasn't been a company that's benefited from sentiment in the last year. But I look at my industrials portfolio, and I think it combines both technology and a footprint in some of the areas that are going to continue to grow and benefit from a stronger global economy.
Weiss, before we go, I just want to go over to you. What's your take on the broader industrial sector? We're seeing right now, obviously, Honeywell in the red, but you see another stock like Caterpillar up almost 1% on a day like this.
Yeah, look, I don't think you can just buy industrials blanketly. I don't think you can buy the industrial ETF, the S&P, because you've got components in there like Boeing. You've got components that are perhaps much better, like a Raytheon. So it's really diversified. I'd pick stocks, specific stocks. I like Honeywell, but these to me are not undervalued at this point with rates going the way they will. So I'd like to see them stabilize a little bit. The industrial ETF is about 38 times trailing, only 22 times forward. But again, you got to parse through that. So Honeywell, I haven't been in for a while, and I haven't missed it for a year and a half. I haven't been in it, but I am looking for a re-entry point, as well as some other industrials when the market comes down, because they're more predictable cash flow generators, which is what I like to key off when I'm investing, than a lot of other parts of the market.